Welcome back into the Reiner Report now. The price of health insurance for those covered on Covered California in Sacramento is expected to go up by more than $1,100 per person if the federal government does not pass the inflation relief package. That's according to Health Access California, who teamed up with other organizations today to express their concern and urge the passage of the bill. Political reporter Morgan Reiner joining us now live in the studio. Morgan, what does this package do health-wise?
Luke, it would try to reduce the cost of prescription drugs by allowing Medicare to negotiate with big pharmaceutical companies instead of the government. And it would extend the subsidies granted during COVID to help Americans pay for health insurance.
I'm almost overwhelmed that we're here today discussing this. Excuse me.
Stephen Martin recalls the worst day of his life back in 2016.
I was diagnosed with an incurable form of leukemia.
On that same day, he found out the cost to try to save his life.
My medication was $147,000.
It's why he joined Health Access California today to talk about the National Inflation Fighting Package, which includes provisions on health.
This legislation, which is so profound, because it returns dignity back to patients.
Health Access Director Anthony Wright said if it doesn't pass,
Sacramento, which has about 60,000 folks enrolled in Sacramento County, the average premium increase is going to be $1,124.
He said the state of California can only do so much to offset the cost if it does not pass.
The money that's budgeted in the budget that was just signed a month ago is only about a fifth of the $1.7 billion that would be lost.
The package can be voted on as soon as this week, but Wright knows it's not going to be an easy battle. Republican lawmakers both in D.C. and California are calling the package a tax increase on Americans.
So the legislation we apparently are going to be asked to vote on this week is called the Inflation Reduction Act. And in fact, it is the Inflation Increase Act.
Now, Democrats disagree with that sentiment, saying the only people who are going to see tax increases are large corporations and those who make more than $400,000 a year, Luke.
All right, thank you, Morgan.